Sometimes when migrating SOLIDWORKS assemblies to other folders or locations, even when using Pack and Go tool, we can get the file reference message error, identifying suppressed and missing files on it, and then we can choose to properly delete or replace these files by the correct ones in the assembly. But there are occasions that SOLIDWORKS doesn't point out anything wrong in the assembly design tree, and when we use the Find Reference tool, everything seems to be okay, but it is not. The file reference message keeps popping up every time we open that assembly. It can include locations where those files one day existed, like it was a history recycle bin showing other computers' folders that contained the files. Some people say the Find Reference tool used to act differently in past versions of SOLIDWORKS, and a tweak in the options can help to see more clear which sub-assembly contain the culprit missing files reference, so we can definitely clear their remaining references, and stop getting the message error. In the Tools and Options menu, in External References line inside System Options tab, we can change these combo and check boxes to force SOLIDWORKS to open the unhealthy sub-assembly along with the main assembly we are opening, so we finally can see what's wrong, fix the missing and suppressed files reference, and then get rid of the error message.